In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can run the troubleshooter on your Windows 11 to fix any related problems. Okay, so let's get started. Click on the start button and click on the settings icon, or you can directly make a right click at the start button and select settings. In the list of options on the left pane, you have to simply click on system. You have to scroll down and then once you find troubleshoot, click on that. Here you will find recommended troubleshooter preferences. So click on the drop down arrow. You have run automatically, don't notify me, run automatically, then notify me, ask me before running, or don't run anyway. Now I am in this option, ask me before running. And here you will find other troubleshooters. Click on that. And here it is. So if you have any audio problems or problems related to your audio on your Windows 11, then you can simply click the run button from here to run the audio troubleshooter. So what the troubleshooter will do is that will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing in that category. And aside from that, that will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So you just need to follow its suggestions and recommendations that will also automatically fix the issue for you. If you have problem with your connection, your network and internet, then you can go into this window and click the run button right here. If you have any printer related issues or problems, you can click the run button that corresponds to printer to run the printer troubleshooter. If you have any related issues or problems or errors related with Windows Update, you can click the Run button that corresponds to Windows Update. If you have any related issues for the bits or the background intelligent transfer service, by running the background intelligent transfer service or the bits troubleshooter, that will ensure related Windows services are running. Okay, so once you run the bits or the background intelligent transfer service, that is to ensure related Windows services are running, and that will also check for system errors. You also have Bluetooth. If you have any Bluetooth related issues or problems, click the run button that corresponds to Bluetooth. For camera, if you have any camera related issues like you can't open your camera, you can run the camera troubleshooter. You also have your program compatibility troubleshooter. Find and fix problems with running older programs on this version of Windows. You can click the run button. If you have any issues with video playback, click the run button. Also for Windows Media Player, you can also click the run button. So these are all the categories that you can run in order to fix any related issues on your Windows 11, and that is to run the troubleshooter. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.